Hello and welcome to numeracy class. Now, I believe you've seen this example before. Yes, you can perform this multiplication traditionally on your own, isn't it? Now is the time for us to use the lattice method to perform this 37 by 3 to get 111. In the previous video, we just showed the structure of the lattice. We constructed it and sized it according to the two given numbers. And then we divided the cells. Now let's look at what I really mean here. You remember this, isn't it? Good. We drew our columns 1 and then 2, and then we drew our one row, the whole of this place. So the multiplicand was placed on top of the columns, of which the most significant number was placed at the left side, and then the next number at the right. And then the multiplier also took the right side of the entire row here. Now we divided it by a diagonal line from top right corner to down left corner, and the same thing applies to this one. Now is the time for us to do the actual multiplication. How do we do it? You will take this multiplier and multiply it by this 3, and then whatever you get will be written. And then you take this 3 and then multiply by this 7. Whatever you get will be written. So 3 times 3, of course, it is 9. Now one thing is, if you multiply and then you get two digit numbers, in this entire space, the ones digit must be placed here and the tens digit must be placed here. But in this case, we got what? 9, which is just a single digit, a ones number. So you place it at the ones place, and then the tens, you won't have anything there. Did I hear you say you place 0 there? You are correct. Good. So let's look at how it's going to be like. You have your 0 here, and then you have your what? 9 here. Since there's no digit for the tens, we put 0 there. Now let's go to 3 times 7. Of course, that is 21, isn't it? Now this is two digit number. So we will place the tens here and then the ones here. Let's see how it's going to look like. So we have our 2 here and then our 1 here. Finally, we are about to finish the whole thing. Your final answer is going to be written. But how do we get it? You will just draw down these numbers that you have written here down, and then you get your answer, which is 111. How do we start it? You bring this number here down, and then when you come to this place, there are two numbers there. You put them together and then you bring it down, and then the number here is just 1, just as this one was also 1. So you bring this number to what? Down. So what I mean is that the spaces that have been created individually, all the numbers inside, you are bringing them down. So the first one here, you have what? 1 to be brought down. But when you come here, the spaces, of course, are two different spaces, but they were found at the same place as they have been bounded by the same two diagonal lines here. So let's start it fast. So 1 is coming down. You get 1, isn't it? Correct. And then you come to this place. You put 9 and 2 together, and then you get what? 11. But mind you, since it's a two-digit number, you place the ones here, and then you carry the tens forward. So you put the back number here, and then you carry the front number forward. So here, we are just going to place 1. So the 11, 1 has come. Now 1 is going forward. So we place it forward, and then when it comes here, to be added to the 0, and then you bring it down. So let's see how it is going to look like. So 1 has been added to the 0, and then it has been brought down. Finally, our answer is going to be read 111, of course. But we do not read it from the back to the left and then go up. You have to read it from the top down and then from left to right. Then you get your 111 this way, top, down, and then left to right. So finally, using the lattice method, 37 times 3 gives you 111. Good. Let's take a short exercise in this same video. Now we have solved 52 times 4 using the lattice method. At the moment, the video is still showing. Just pause it. Pause it as you are listening. Pause it. And then perform 52 times 4 using the lattice method. When you finish, resume your video and compare your answer with mine. If you got this, it means you are correct. Thanks for watching.